Hello, we are here with Mr. Ashok Gautam, who is the Managing Director and CEO of IIBX. And we are here in day one of IIJS Bharat Premiere in NESCO. So wonderful to meet you here. We wish you heartiest congratulations for having the MOU signed with GJPC, and we would like to know more about the initiative taken together.
Thank you very much, and my greetings to all your viewers. So, as you know, IIBX has been working with our regulator IFSCA that how can we promote India's export of jewelry. In that direction, a lot of steps have been taken by our regulator, where they have enabled the exporters of jewelry to come to IIBX and start taking gold through us. The first step was that when IFSCA issued a circular where SEZ entities were enabled to become our qualified jewelers.
Right.
And most of these SEZ entities are in any case member of the GJPC with whom we have signed the MOU today.
Right.
And later on, at the request of the industry, IFSCA eased the norms of onboarding of the SEZ entities, whereby they said, okay, now 5 crores net worth requirement is not needed.
Right.
Second part is that we also enabled, under the direction of our regulator, the advance authorization holders to take gold from us. So, advance authorization is authorization given by Director General of Foreign Trade for the exporters of jewelry to take gold and silver at 0% duty. So, that has also been enabled by DGFT as well as our regulator to take it from IIBX, and we are happy to tell you some transactions under advance authorization have already taken place on IIBX.
That's lovely.
And the third piece is which we have been wanting for a long time, and this was a demand from the GJPC also, that can the RCMC is registration cum membership certificate, which is issued by GJPC.
Correct.
So GJPC has been making this demand that can we have the holders of RCMC come to IIBX as a qualified jeweler and import bullion.
Okay.
So we are happy to tell you that we have recently enabled, after the due approval of IFSCA, that all the RCMC holders of all the RCMC holders of GJPC are eligible to apply to become a qualified jeweler on IIBX. And I'm happy to tell you there is a very tremendous response.
Okay.
After that, we have started doing multiple conferences, seminars along with the GJPC, and I'm very thankful to the GJPC's top management for supporting IIBX. And this MOU is also taking that forward, that collaboration forward, that we'll work together with GJPC to promote what are the facilities which are available for the GJPC members on IIBX, how can they import gold as well as silver for export, and also they can come to IIBX to hedge their price risk of gold and silver. So all these enablers are there on IIBX, and I am quite confident that this MOU definitely will pave way forward for all of the gold industry, jewelry industry to really progress ahead, and IIBX will certainly be happy to play its part in that.
Absolutely lovely. I think bodies like IIBX and IFSCA coming together, making policy making stronger for ease of doing business is so important. So thank you so much. We wish you the best of luck in this initiative together and a stronger industry forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you to your viewers, and thank you to viewers.
Thank you so much, sir.